excellent, excellent. All right. So today's exercise is a bit different. ठीक है, आज की जो हमारी exercise है वो थोड़ी सी अलग है than what we did on Tuesday. But the few things जैसे कि warm up जो होता है, जो हम starting में करते हैं किसी भी exercise के, so the warm up is going to be same. So everyone is going to do the same warm up, but then after the warm up, the exercise are going to change. So are you all ready? Quickly show me a thumbs up if you are ready. Yes, are you all ready to do exercise? Excellent. Okay. So now what I want you to do is I want you all to just stand up. Okay. I want you all to just stand up and you start with your neck exercise. We all know how we need to do the neck exercise, but those who are not there on Tuesday, I'm going to show it to you now again. So everyone, let's start with our neck exercise. Keep your hands on your stomach or on your waist and just rotate your neck clockwise. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now I want you all to do it anti-clockwise. So अभी हम उल्टा घुमाएंगे. Okay? So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Excellent. All right. Very nice. Now next we are going to go. हमें पता है सबको that first we start with our exercise for the brain. Okay, ऊपर के side के लिए हम exercise करते हैं. Once we are done with that, we move to our upper body, जो हमारे chest से लेके हमारे waist तक या stomach तक है, and then we go for our lower body, which is our legs. Okay, so now for this part, what I want you to do is you stand like this. पैरों के बीच में थोड़ी सी जगह करके खड़े हो जाइए. Stand like this, and I want you all to twist your body. How are we going to twist our body? ऐसे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now once we are done with that, okay, now 1, पूरा साइड में जाना है. 1, 2, keep distance between your legs so it will be easy for you to do it. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. यहाँ से हिलाइए. Okay, move your body from here, not only your neck part, move your body from here. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Excellent. Very nice, all of you. Very nice. Now next, going on to the next one. अभी हम क्या करने वाले हैं? We are going to do exercise for our leg. Warm up exercise for our legs. Okay. So for that, what is very important? क्या सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है? Okay. So I am wearing a watch for you all today. आज मैं आप सबके लिए I am wearing a watch and I am going to see on watch. यहाँ पे पता है मेरे watch पे ना numbers आते हैं. So I want you all कि आज हमारा क्लास खत्म होने तक we should have 100 numbers on it, मतलब 100. So how are we going to get that 100 number? We all are going to do marching on spot. हमें क्या करना है, हमें एक जगह पे खड़े होके चलना है. Excellent कविश. उसी तरीके से. So what are we going to do? We will first march 50 steps. मैं 50 तक count करूंगी. Then we will do another exercise. Then I will again count till 50. Then another exercise. ऐसे हम करेंगे. Okay. So let's start. Are you all ready? Quickly show me a thumbs up that you are excited and ready. Excellent. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. धीरे धीरे 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. Excellent. Okay. अब इसमें सिर्फ एक ही चीज है which I want to add, which is आप में से बहुत से बच्चे भाग रहे थे. You were all running. So हमें भागना नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर हम भागेंगे तो हम थक जाएंगे, और अगर हम सेशन के स्टार्ट में ही, अभी हम क्लास के स्टार्ट में ही थक गए तो हम एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर पाएंगे. So it is very important कि हमें भागना नहीं है, हमें बहुत स्लो सिर्फ अपना पैर उठाना है. आप अगर मुझे देख रहे होंगे so you must have seen how I lift my leg. I just have to lift my leg and move my hands like this. इस तरीके से हम मार्चिंग करते हैं. अगर आप भागोगे, if you will run, then आप बहुत जल्दी थक जाओगे and you will not be able to do the next exercise. So it is very important that we will not run, but we will just march. This is known as marching. All right, excellent. Now let's go to the next one. अभी मैंने आपको बोला था कि आपको दुपट्टा लाना है. So just get your dupatta, all of you. Okay. Here parents, I will need your help in this. Now what needs to be done with the dupatta is, जो दुपट्टे का एक side है, okay, I want that one side of the dupatta to be tied here on one end. All right, one side of the dupatta to be tied on the wrist of the child. Just make sure that it's not very tight for him or her. बच्चों आप नहीं करोगे, let your parents do it, and the same with the other dupatta. Okay, so we will just tie dupatta to our wrist very softly. बहुत ज्यादा टाइट नहीं करना है, but then at the same time it should not be easily removed. एक्सरसाइज करते करते हाथ से नहीं निकलना चाहिए. So I am tying it myself. You take help of your parents and do it. Not very tight. Okay. Excellent. Once you are ready, just quickly show me a thumbs up so I know that you are ready. Very good, Aditi. Yes, baby. Good. खड़े रहना है दुपट्टा लगा के. We have to stand. We're not sitting right now. We'll stand. Excellent. Okay. Now everyone has tied dupatta. Can you all show me? Show me your dupatta. Yes. Okay. ऑलराइट, एक्सेलेंट। अभी हम ये मैंने क्यों दिया है आपको, बिकॉज नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इज रिलेटेड टू दैट एंड नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इज वेरी सिंपल। व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू टेक योर हैंड्स क्लोजर टू योर बॉडी। आपको ऐसे हाथ पास में लाना है, आप हाथ ऐसे ऊपर लेके जाओगे, यू विल स्टैंड स्ट्रेट, ओके, स्टैंड स्ट्रेट, योर हैंड्स, योर फिस्ट विल बी क्लोज, स्टैंड स्ट्रेट, हैंड्स अप, एंड ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज दुपट्टे को जितना आप खींच सकते हो स्ट्रेट उतना खींचना है, वापस पास, स्ट्रेट एंड क्लोज। ठीक है, बिल्कुल दुपट्टा ऐसे फोल्ड नहीं होना चाहिए, जितना आप स्ट्रेच कर सकते हो, जितना स्ट्रेट लेके जा सकते हो उतना स्ट्रेट लेके जाना है। अगेन क्लोज एंड 1 2 3, यस डू इट, यस आई कैन सी, धीरे धीरे करेंगे, बहुत स्पीड में नहीं करेंगे। 3 4 and close, 5 and close, 6 close, 7 close, 8 close, 9 and close, 10 9 8, very nice, you're doing it, 7 6 5, उदय हाथ ऊपर रहेगा, हाथ शोल्डर के लेवल पे नहीं है, हाथ मेरा ऊपर है, so your hand needs to be up in the air, you will not keep it close। अगर आप यहाँ पे रखोगे तो यहाँ पे आपको ज्यादा पेन हो सकता है near your shoulder, so इसलिए we have to stretch your hands completely and then pull the dupatta, and 4 3 2 and 1, excellent, very nicely done all of you। You can just remove your dupatta and have only 1 sip of water। एक सिप से ज्यादा हम पानी नहीं पिएंगे, just remove your dupatta, don't play with that, okay, excellent, have water and get ready। ओके, नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इज वेरी सिंपल, बहुत ही सिंपल है, मैं अभी देख सकती हूँ a lot of you are sitting in your hall or maybe in your room, so आपके आसपास तो कहीं चेयर होगी ही, so next exercise is very simple, I'm just going to take a chair because I don't have it here। और आपको क्या करना है, चेयर को हम ऐसे रखेंगे and the next exercise is going to be, you just have to keep your legs completely closed, sit on chair and get up, okay। हम कैसे बैठते हैं चेयर के ऊपर, we will just sit on our chair and we'll get up keeping our legs closed, sit and get up, very nice Joanne and Braden, sit, yes SK Arman, and get up, yes Kavesh। Now when we are sitting down we will sit very straight, okay, एकदम straight होके बैठेंगे और straight होके हमें खड़े होना है, so sit and get up, sit, stand, and 1 2, excellent। Aditi baby, जब आप बैठ रहे हो when you are sitting down keep your legs closed, okay, पैर ऐसे नहीं करेंगे, हम पैर को पास में रखेंगे, we'll keep our legs closed, yes, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 10, Yes, nicely, Kavish, you're doing. Do it. 9. Good, SK Arman. 8. Ikum, very nice. 7. Sanmukhi, good. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Very nice. Just sit there for 2 seconds. वैसे ही बैठो जहाँ पे हो. Sit down. Clap for yourself. Do claps. Excellent. Very good. So जो मैंने अभी आपको मेरे घड़ी के बारे में बताया, I told you about my watch, है कि नहीं? अभी मेरी वॉच तो सब देख रही है. So let's do 50 marks again. Okay? Not fast, not too slow. धीरे धीरे left and right hand to be in coordination. Okay? Very slowly so that आप नहीं थकोगे. Okay, I can see few videos have been switched on. So good to see you, Rajan. And I hope you can do it with us. Aditya Punekar, we will keep our legs closed. Okay? पैर फैला के नहीं करेंगे. We'll keep our legs closed and then we'll do it. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, see my leg, see my hand. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. धीरे धीरे कविश, धीरे और हाथ स्ट्रेट और धीरे. उदय, lift your hand straight, one hand at a time. 8, 9, 10. साई, धीरे करो. साई गोरे, go it slow. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, slowly babies, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Yes, very nicely you're doing. Manish, slowly, जैसे हम चलते हैं वैसे slowly करना है. Slowly चलोगे आप. 32. Yes, Joanne, you're doing it so nicely. Continue to do it. 33, 34, 35. कविश, हाथ देखो मैम का कहां पर है. एंड स्ट्रेट है, मुट्ठी बंद है. तो यहां तक लेके जाना है. 37, 38. Rajan, I am sitting because I can't see you. You can stand up and do it. हमें legs भी move करने हैं. मैं आपको देखने के लिए नीचे बैठ गई. Aditi, yes, good. 40, last 10. 41, 42, yes, last 8. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Excellent. Clap for yourself. Clap, 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 clap. Okay. अभी हम थोड़ी देर नीचे बैठ के एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, बहुत देर से खड़े थे ना, तो अभी हम नीचे बैठेंगे. यू कैन हैव वाटर, sit properly, fold your legs and sit properly. Only one sip of water, पूरा बॉटल खत्म नहीं करना है. Okay, good. Yes, you can sit on your yoga mats. We will require yoga mats later on. So we will all sit properly. Screen से थोड़ा सा दूर बैठेंगे. Fold your legs. Nice. Aditi, Aditya, Sai, Ananya, Sanmukhi, Sanmukha, Sai. बैठ जाओ, नीचे बैठ जाओ. Don't sit on the stool. Sit down and fold your legs. Excellent. Okay. Now very simple exercise we are going to do. जैसे मैम ने आपको बताया है, our body is divided in 3 parts. ये हमारा first part है, the neck one. The second is from our chest till our tummy, and third is our legs. अभी हमने legs की exercise की है. So now we are going to go back to our neck. Okay. So it's very simple. This is our chin. All of you touch your chin. Touch your chin. Yes, you all know where your chin is. And show me where your chest is. कहाँ पर है? Excellent. So simple है अभी क्या करना है सिर्फ? You just have to touch your chin to your chest. कर सकते हो? Can you all do it? Yes, Uday, very nice. Can you all do it? Excellent. So you have to touch your chin to your chest. I can see a small baby in the class, Dhruv Tara. But parents, you can just modify the exercise according to the baby's needs, and you can just tell them to do how much they can. Yes, so good to see. Excellent. Chalo, let's start. 1, touch your chin to your neck, chest. 2, up. 3, up. 4, up. Parents, make sure the child is sitting straight while doing this, so that there is no strain on their back. Very nice. Do it, Sai. Aditya, chin to your chest. Aditi, touch your chin to your chest. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Excellent. अभी क्या करेंगे? इसी चिन को हम शोल्डर्स को टच करेंगे. Show me your shoulders, where your shoulders are. Yes, excellent. So कैसे करना है चिन को? हाँ, you don't have to move your shoulders. I'm just showing you where the shoulders are. But now we are going to touch our chin to the shoulders. Okay, so let's start. 1. पहले एक ही साइड करेंगे. So you decide which side you want to go. You want to go right side, you want to go left side. So पहले हम right side पे करेंगे. Okay, you can do whichever side you want to go. I am going with my right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. चिन को टच करना है, सिर्फ नेक को नहीं घुमाना है. Try to touch your chin to your shoulder. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another side. Okay, another side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Excellent. Very good. Very nice. अब सब मुझे दिखाओ फैन कहाँ पर है, फैन कहाँ पर होता है? सिट डाउन आदिति, बेबी कीप सिटिंग, आई एम सिटिंग, सिट डाउन, शो मी अ फैन, शो मी वेयर इज फैन, है कि नहीं? ऊपर है ना? Excellent. Now simple, we just have to look at our fan and then look down. Look at our fan and look down. Okay, can we all do that? Look at our fan and look down. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very nice, all of you. Very good. Okay. Now, how many of you, just raise your hand, how many of you are sitting with your parents? आप में से कितने बच्चे parents के साथ बैठे हैं for activity? Okay, I can see few students are here. Excellent. Now for this next activity, what are you going to do? आपको क्या चाहिए इस next activity के लिए, next exercise के लिए? You need your bottle. Okay. So as I said, मैंने पहले ही बताया था group में. So you all have bottle with you. Have a water bottle with you. Okay. और एक्सरसाइज बहुत सिंपल है. आपने क्या करना है, अपने पेरेंट्स को बताना है
Harshani ma'am did her video free.
Yes. I think she lost the connection. We'll just wait for her.
Yeah. Yes, okay. To the parents and participants, hi. Akanksha ma'am will be back in 2 minutes. Until then, you can drink maybe just 1 sip of water. एक घूंट ही पीना है तब तक जब तक मैम वापस आते हैं. Okay. We'll wait for her for 2 minutes. और किसी ने एक सिप से ज्यादा नहीं पीना, मैं देख रही हूँ सबको.
Yeah, just wait for another 1 minute maybe. Everyone is enjoying the show, exercising. Yes, yeah, I can see Kalam. Yeah, sorry, I'm just pronouncing. Jaspreet, you there? Nice to see you both. You're on mute. You're on mute.
Okay, वो आप हो गया बाबू. So basically, I would keep forgetting. So now I've made her responsible that every Tuesday, Friday, you have to remember.
Great to see you, both of you. I mean, you're nice.
लाइट चले गए थे सो मेरा वाईफाई बंद हो गया. Extremely so sorry.
No worries.
Okay, Arshiva. Okay, Akanksha is back.
Yes, so sorry. यहाँ पे लाइट चली गई थी सो मेरा वीडियो भी ऑफ हो गया. And I hope that you all sitting with parents, right? मैंने बताया that you are sitting with your mom or your dad or anyone. अब भैया के साथ भी या दीदी के साथ बैठ सकते हो for this next activity. So now what are we going to do? बहुत simple है. You have to sit with a bottle. Okay. Now that I am sitting alone, I will sit like this, but you will sit with your bottle And बहुत simple है. You will just ask your parents to sit behind you. Your parents are going to sit behind you. और आपको क्या करना है, आपको सिर्फ टर्न होके, पूरा टर्न होना है और आपके मम्मा या पापा जो कोई आपके साथ बैठा है उनके हाथ में बॉटल देनी है और इस साइड से बॉटल कलेक्ट करनी है. Have you understood what that needs to be done? Have you understood? You can just show me a thumbs up if you have understood what needs to be done. So you will sit with your parents. From one side, you will give bottle to your parents, and from another side, you will get it back. Again, you will give it from this side. Again, from this side, you will get it back. Okay? I'm just going to see.
Ritvika, do you have a question?
What parents can do is very nice, Joan. I will just spotlight for a moment how this is done. See, so you can just sit, back to back with the child and then keep on just passing the ball, the bottle, whatever that is available. Excellent. Excellent. This is exercise for the parents as well as for the kids. Okay. Yes. Excellent.
Nidvika, I'll just ask you to unmute if you have a question.
Yes.
Yeah.
You want to say something? साई, पीठ से पीठ लगा के बैठो मम्मा के साथ और फिर बॉटल पास करो मम्मा को. पीठ, back, your back. Sai, your back and your mama's back. Sai Gore, your back and your mama's back. आपके मम्मा की पीठ आपको ऐसे टच होगी. I will just show how it's done. See. Can you all see SK Arman? He is sitting with his mom and doing it. और आपने खुद ही काउंट करना है. 20 काउंट्स तक हम ये करेंगे. ओके, जस्ट टेक इट स्लो, धीरे धीरे करना है. And this is how that needs to be done. So let's start doing. If two siblings are there, no problem. The two siblings can do it together. Very nice.
I can see Dhruva and Tara. They're doing so well.
Yeah, so cute these two are. Small kids. Very nice. Yes, Aditya. Do it. Okay, I can see Ikum is done. This can be done. Excellent, Ananya. Excellent. Four, 3, 2, excellent. Very nice. This is for the parents as well as for the kids. This can be done timely with the kids. You don't have to give them the bottle in their hand. Let them just, move around, twist and turn their upper body and give that to you. Excellent. All right. Now the next exercise which we are going to do, so for this very specifically, I want to tell this to parents. Just see if the child can do it. If not on the wall, I will also show it how it's done on with the help of a chair. but I will first show it how it's done on the wall. Okay. So let's do it. Let's see how the next exercise is done on wall, and then we will go on chair. जिन को अगर wall पे नहीं आता है तो okay, just go here. बहुत simple है. All I have to do is I have to just lie down like this. I will just lie, okay, on my back. Can you all see me? Okay, you all can see me. Okay, so I just have to lie down on my back, and I just have to, ये जो मेरे legs है ना, I will just have to one by one, I have to take it straight. Okay, no bend on knees, just take it straight on the wall. So this is for the kids who can do it. Those who can't do it, no problem, मेरे पास और एक solution है, but those kids who can do it, I want them to go near the wall, lie down like this, and your legs should be in line, एकदम straight line wall के तरह. Okay, and stay like that only. Okay, नीचे नहीं लेंगे जब तक मैं नहीं बताऊं. Now, for the kids who can't do it on wall, I have a simple version for you over this chair. Okay. Now, okay, so those who can't do it on wall, what you can do it on chair is keep the chair here, just lie down. Okay, put your legs like this. Now that makes a right angle. Can you all see? That makes a right angle. And just lie down like this. Okay, with the right angle, just lie down like this. Those children who can't do it on wall can do this. जो बच्चे वॉल पे नहीं कर सकते वो बच्चे ये करेंगे चेयर पे. Okay, okay, yes.
Very nice, Joanne. She's doing it on the wall. Very nice.
Yes, I can see. Very specifically, I'm saying it to do it on the wall, Ananya. Why? Because अगर आप without wall का support लेके करोगे तो बहुत जल्दी पेन हो सकता है लेग में, इसलिए wall का support लेना है और legs को knees को जो है एकदम straight रखना है. Okay, knees fold नहीं होने चाहिए अनन्या, जो अभी हो रहे हैं, because इससे पेन हो सकता है. So take support of wall, no problem. If parents are there and parents can just hold their legs straight, that can also be done. So SK Arman, आप ऐसे ही जमीन पे सो सकते हो एंड आप पैर ऐसे लिफ्ट करो और मम्मा आपका पैर पकड़ लेगी ऊपर स्ट्रेट. दैट कैन ऑल्सो बी डन. वेरी नाइस. ओके, आई कैन सी few kids doing it so nicely. So nicely. Yes, Ikkum, excellent. Very nice, SK Arman. Beautiful. Good, Aditi. Palmita, good. No problem. अगर वॉल पे नहीं हो रहा है आप चेयर पे भी कर सकते हो. अनन्या, we have to keep our legs straight. Aditi, पैर फोल्ड नहीं करना है, एक के ऊपर एक पैर नहीं रखोगे. We will not keep one leg on another. We will keep both the legs straight. Yes, Dhruv and Tara. Yes, वैसे ही रहो. Be like that only. वॉल पे, हाँ, very nice. Good. Now I'm quickly going to count. Kavish, for you, what you can do here is आप यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हो? If you have got small stool, अगर आपके पास कोई small stool है, or if you have pillow, okay? So just take 2-3 pillows. 2-3 pillows को pile up करो, and if not 90 degree, you can at least get it to 30 degree. So till 30 degree, he can do it. Usually 30, 60, 90 ऐसे होता है. What the kids are doing on wall is a right angle, एकदम straight. Okay, that is the last which we do. Very nice, Joan. Oh, both the kids are on each wall. Good, very nice. Yes, साई, Sanmukhi Sai, okay. Ikkum के साथ Ikkum's cat is also here, so even she is doing the exercise. Good. Good, good. Yes, Aditya, I hope you're doing it either on chair or something like that. Very nice. Last 10 counts. 10, 9, 8, 7. Yes, Kavish, that can be done. Here the pillow is a bit towards inclining position. The spine needs to be really straight, like the pillow thing, because अब वो resting position में चला गया. We don't want to go into that resting position. Also, we recommend that needs to be done directly on floor, because then the back will be straight. On cushion like sofa or bed, the back is not usually straight. So when we do it on floor, the back is straight, and then it's just 30 degree like this. Excellent. Rest all. Nice. 2, 1, and go. Take your legs down. Very good, all of you. Clap. Clap, clap, clap. Excellent. Okay. Now you all can just.
Sorry,
Yes, Kavish, you have got another class. No problem. No problem. Thank you. No problem.
Sorry, I have a question. Did you say
Yes,
that it should be 90 degrees or 30/45 degrees?
No, ma'am. What I said is that the last we do is the 90 degree, the one which is done on the wall, the perpendicular one. If that is not possible, then the one which we do it on the chair. And what I suggested for Kavish was the 30 degree angle. But your both the kids are doing it rightly on the wall, so that can be followed. Okay. जो बच्चे वॉल पे कर रहे हैं वो वॉल पे ही करेंगे. You don't have to get on the chair or on pillows. The kids who are doing it on chair, start practicing it so that quickly you can do it on wall. And those who are doing it with the pillows, आपने धीरे धीरे करके चेयर पे आना है, फिर चेयर से आपने वॉल के तरफ जाना है. So why now let's do something very important. So सबसे पहले तो हम पानी पियेंगे all of you, and now I'm going to tell you that why we did this. अभी आप बड़े बच्चे हो गए हो, so आपको चीजें समझ में आने लग गई है. So I will quickly tell before we go towards our next exercise. So why this exercise is done? ये exercise हमारे legs के लिए नहीं है. This exercise is not for our legs, but this exercise is for our stomach. ये जो हमारा टमी है ना, जिसमें हम अच्छी अच्छी चीजें खाते हैं, we eat lots of sugar, we eat lots of chocolate and pizza and what all we eat, हम कितना कुछ खाते हैं. So everything goes into our stomach. But ये जो stomach है ना, ये धीरे 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 करके ऐसे बाहर आने लग जाता है. So it should not happen. That's why we do the exercise which we did on wall. अगर आप ये एक्सरसाइज करते हो ऑन वॉल, तो ऑटोमेटिकली ये जो स्टमक का एरिया है, इस पे प्रेशर आ जाता है. यू विल हैव प्रेशर ऑन योर स्टमक, एंड देन आपका जो ऐसा पेट है वो ऐसे बाहर नहीं आएगा. अभी तो आप छोटे छोटे बच्चे हो, बट नाउ यू गेट इनटू दिस प्रैक्टिस. अगर आप एक बार ये एक्सरसाइज करने लग जाओगे तो यू विल बी फिट एंड हेल्दी. ओके, सो चलो लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. आई होप यू ऑल हैड वाटर. सबने पानी पिया है? Okay, let's move to the next exercise. Stand up. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. All right. Now next exercise is very simple. Okay, very simple. All you have to do is, ये जो leg है ना, इसको ऐसे करना है, ऐसे fold करना है. Okay, one leg will be back, ऐसे पीछे. One leg will be like this, and one leg will be like this, folded. And you just have to touch both your hands on the floor. Both your hands on floor and get up. Okay, अब मैं कैसे खड़ी हुई? How did I stood up? मैं कैसे खड़ी हुई? एक साथ, है कि नहीं? So like this, hands up. धीरे धीरे करेंगे, फास्ट बिल्कुल नहीं करना है, बट सबने फॉलो करना है. ओके, don't, आप ट्राई करते रहो. इफ यू फील दैट यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू इट, but then still try, you will be able to do it. Okay, so we all will stand like this, ekdam straight, legs close. Okay, and 1 2 3, 1 2 3, है कि नहीं? सिंपल, स्ट्रेट खड़े रहना है. एक पैर आपका पीछे जाएगा, जैसे एक पैर पीछे जाता है, इस पैर को हम फोल्ड कर देंगे, दोनों पैर फोल्ड हो जाएंगे. हैंड्स को टच करना है नीचे एंड स्टैंड अप. ओके, कैन आई सी ऑल डूइंग इट? यस, वेरी नाइस, गुड. यस, डू इट आदिति, मैं देखने के लिए बैठी यहाँ पे. करो करो अदिति. I sat down because I wanted to see you. आपने तो करना है. Yes. धीरे. मनीष, मनीष, what are you doing? Very nice, SK Arman. Yes. Very simple way. Stand like this. Put your one leg ahead. Sit, touch, stand, close. Sit, touch, stand, close. Sit, touch, stand, close. Very nice. Good. Good. You all are doing it so nicely. Good. We have to do it with both the legs. So पहले इस साइड किया, फिर बाद में इस साइड भी करना है. Okay? So sit, touch, stand, close. Sit, touch, stand, close. Sit, touch, stand, close. Excellent. धीरे धीरे करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. If you are not able to touch the floor, that is also fine, but you have to sit in this position. Touch. जैसे हम मैराथन के लिए जब भागते हैं, आपने देखा होगा ना टीवी पे, तो लोग कैसे रेडी होते हैं, ऐसे रेडी होते हैं ना. That way we have to get ready. Excellent. Last 2 counts. Very nice, Aditi. Yes. 3 2 1 and go. Excellent. Sit down. Sit down, all of you. Sit down. Sit down. अब आपको पेन नहीं होना चाहिए आफ्टर दिस एक्सरसाइज. दैट्स व्हाई वी विल डू. ओके, अभी हम नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज करेंगे जिससे फिर आपको कुछ भी पेन नहीं होगा. द एक्सरसाइज इज वेरी सिंपल. क्लोज योर हैंड्स, मेक अ फिस्ट, और ऐसे करना है. पूरा पास लाओ बॉडी के और फिर बाहर आओ. क्लोज एंड आउट, क्लोज एंड आउट. मेक अ फिस्ट. देखो मेरी तरफ, मैं कैसे कर रही हूँ. आई एम टेकिंग माई हैंड्स क्लोज, आई एम रोटेटिंग इट एंड अगेन आउट. हैंड्स क्लोज, रोटेटिंग इट एंड आउट. हैंड्स क्लोज, रोटेटिंग इट एंड आउट. एंड 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Excellent. Now that while you all are sitting, अभी हम सब कैसे बैठने वाले हैं? We all are going to sit on our knees. I want you all to just sit on your knees. Okay, सब knees पे बैठ जाओ ऐसे. Okay, sit on your knees. Fold your hands at your back. Sit on your knees. Okay, This is how we sit on our knees. Fold your hands and just go down. Go down slowly, slowly, slowly. Go down. Slowly go down. And the hand which you have at your back, उसको धीरे से सामने लाके straight करिए. This is to relax all your body. इससे फिर आपको पेन नहीं होगा बाद में. So just sit like this, put your head down and your hands spread. Okay, stay. Stay. Stay like that. Rucha, click. Stay. Stay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. Excellent. आ जाइए ऊपर. Excellent. Okay. Now fold your legs and sit. Last 2 minutes. All of you fold your legs. Sit like this, straight. Can you all see me? Okay. Yes. Sit straight. Fold your legs. Okay. Now, what you all have to do is simple करना है. ये जो हमारे elbows है ना, ये elbows, इसको सिर्फ आगे लाके रखना है. Can you do it? Can you try? We will sit with our legs fold and we will just try to touch our elbows to the floor. Yes, if you can't do that, what you can do is you can try to touch your elbow to one side. आप ये भी कर सकते हो. Either which side you can just take your elbow. If you can't go ahead and touch both your elbows on front, you can just do it on one side. Okay? Just do it on any one side. All right. Very good. Then I can see Uday can touch it at front. 9. Yes, Suchitra has raised hand. Do you want to say something? You can unmute. 8.
Yeah, Suchita, you can try unmuting now.
7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Excellent. Very nice. Okay. Sit at that position. Just close your eyes and join your hands, all of you. Close your eyes and join your hands. I want you all to close your eyes and join your hands. And what I am saying, you have to repeat it. Okay? You don't have to unmute. आपको unmute करने की जरूरत नहीं है. But आप सिर्फ अपनी आंखें बंद करके हाथ जोड़ के जो कुछ मैं बोल रही हूँ उसको repeat करोगे. Okay? All right? Okay. Join your hands and close your eyes. Okay. Thank you, God, for giving me this chance. I will always try to stay fit and healthy. Please, God, take care of me and my family and keep us happy. I will try to do these exercise every day and stay fit. Okay, excellent. Now quickly show me a thumbs up. Come close. I will just try to come close. Yes, quickly show me a thumbs up so that we can click a very nice photo. And if you enjoyed today's session, let me know. Have you enjoyed today's session? Did you enjoy today's session? Yes? 1 second. I will, yeah. Now you can unmute, okay? 1 second. Yeah. Okay, did you enjoy today's session? आपको मजा आया आज?
Another class.
You have another class. Yes. Okay. I really loved Dhruv and Tara, small babies in my class.
I'm
So,
sign off now.
You like
I,
my
yes, Kavish, you are so amazing. You're doing it so nicely. But ऐसी exercise करते रहनी है, okay? मैं आपके exercise लेते रहूंगी. आपने exercise करते रहनी है. And
hello, ma'am. My name is Alex Kemlani, and
yes.
I enjoyed exercise class.
Yes, you enjoyed. Very nice. I'm glad you enjoyed. Very nice. Thank you so much, all of you. आप सब join हुए. You all joined. So I enjoyed it with you. तो मुझे और ज़्यादा मजा आया आपके साथ exercise करने में. And we will meet very soon. हम बहुत जल्द फिर से मिलेंगे exercise करने के लिए. So quickly show me a thumbs up so that we can click a nice photo. Yes. Okay, let Dhruv and Tara both give. Yes, thumbs up. Excellent, very nice. Thank you so much for everyone joining. Have a great weekend. मजे कीजिए इस weekend में और हम बहुत जल्दी आपको मिलने वाले हैं. We are going to meet you on Tuesday. If any one of you are not a part of our WhatsApp group, please let us know so that we can add you on our WhatsApp group, जिस पे आपको सारे updates मिलते रहेंगे. उसी के साथ साथ ट्यूसडे को हम एक बहुत अच्छी एक्टिविटी करने वाले हैं. वी आर गोइंग टू डू कैलीग्राफी. आप में से बहुत से बच्चे पिछले सेशन में थे. हमने बहुत अच्छे कैलीग्राफी चीजें की थी. अपना खुद का नाम लिखा था कलरफुल हैंडराइटिंग में. So the same thing, but in different way. We are going to do it on Tuesday. So see you all. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Bye.
Bye. Thank
Yes.
you.
Bye bye. Okay.